you're welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If today's your first time of seeing this video, hello, my name is Becky. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today's video, I'm making the birthday cake that I would love to share with you. It's going to be a chocolate cake. So I'm baking this for one of my cousins in England, and we're going to be connecting. If I could be able to show you, I would be happy to share with you how we're going to be connected, because there's no plan, we can't go anywhere. So I'm going to be sharing with you, showing you step by step how you can make your own birthday cake at all. Okay guys, if you are new to this channel, guys, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell, in case if I have any video, you're going to be notified, guys. So guys, I would like to show you. So guys, let's go to it. To preheat the oven when you are about to bake the cake. So as you can hear the noise, I'm preheating my oven, and the oven is 180 degrees. So guys, we need 1 cup of sugar. It depends what you want. You can apply. We need 1 cup of sugar, guys. So you can decide to use brown sugar, but in today's video I would love to use white sugar. Okay, powder. So we are going to be applying 1.5 cup of cocoa powder. Okay. So I love to mix all the dry ingredients first. So you can go ahead as well and do the same. So we are going to be using 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, guys. So 1.5 tablespoon. 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda. Sorry, guys. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 tablespoon. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, guys. Please. I used to mix baking soda and baking powder together. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1.5 cup of flour, plain flour, all-purpose flour. You don't want your flour to be slow. You want to get rid of all this lumping. And this is alcohol. So 1.5 cup of 1.5. So guys, I love this brand. You can go ahead and get any brand of butter you want. You can as well use vegetable oil, olive oil. It depends what you want. All this is an optional. So I got 250. What is it? Sorry guys. So I got 250 milligrams. So I'm going to be using half of it, okay, which I've already have here. So I'm going to be putting it in double boiler, okay? So you can go ahead as well and do the same thing. So guys, it's mixed already. So the next step now, I'm going to be adding mayonnaise. You guys, you can be surprised. The reason why I'm adding 1.5 quarter of cup of mayonnaise is just to give it the. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and add mayonnaise. You can exclude mayonnaise. I just like the taste, okay? Some people had Guinness, some people had coffee, but I just prefer mayonnaise. I've tasted a chocolate cake that looks sour and very lovely, so this will make the texture so rich and fluffy. Give it a go and let me know what you think. So you can get any brand of mayonnaise you want. So I love this brand, so I'm going to add that. So you continue. I love melt all my creamy stuff, so you can melt that one as well in the double boiler. I would love to warm my fresh milk. I'm going to go ahead and warm it so that it will help us to dissolve all the sugar and all the things, all the dry ingredients. So it's the best way to make chocolate cake to warm the milk. Okay, so guys, the next step, we need our eggs. Okay, so we need eggs. Okay, so you can get any brand you want, guys, so you don't have to get it in Tesco. Tesco is very close to my house, so. At this minute, I'm going to be hiding all the liquid step by step. So I'll be showing you how I'm going to be hiding them, guys. 3 eggs, okay guys, and the fresh milk is warm, so I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be topping them. I don't want to add them straight away. It's going to be clumpsy. It's going to get clumpsy, then I don't want that, guys. So I'm going to be adding them step by step. Okay, it will look funny, believe me, it's going to turn out well. So guys, the first ingredient I'm going to be topping is going to be milk. Okay, at this step you have to be very careful because it's going to be splashing all over the place. So just go ahead and add all the butter one, the creamy one. Okay, and be careful. You can see I'm going to be going to come out of it. You can see you have to be careful. I need to excuse myself. So guys, as you can see, it looks so messy, so you want to be topping up the egg step by step. Okay, so I'm going to come out from the camera as well. I'll show you guys. It's going to be all over the place, as you can see. Then you go ahead again. Then we had the last one, guys. So guys, I'm going to be adding chocolate junk into it. The reason why I love this chocolate is just to add another texture to it. That's it. So I'm going to be using like 3 to 4 pieces of chocolate junk. So it has to be like it's cooking chocolate, and you can as well get any chocolate you want. Okay guys, you don't have to. I'm not a fussy person, guys. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and break it. I have to come out from the camera. So what I will do, I'm just putting it in any plastic bag, double and double. It's going to be messy, guys. I'm going to be right back. without butter, you can add vegetable oil or any oil butter. So this is 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, so we're gonna shake. So we're still going to have to put it back for another 10 minutes. This is 40 minutes. Okay, you leave it for 40 minutes. So here is the cake is done for after 40 minutes exactly. 40 minutes the cake is done. And how am I going to show? Put your toothpick or anything you could lay your hand to tell you it's done. So there's no water, there's nothing, so the chocolate cake is ready to go. So guys, the chocolate cake is ready. It's very hot at this point, so we're going to let it rest and guys, as you can see, we are going to leave it for 5-7 minutes to cool before we can scrape the head. So we have to get rid of this hair. So I'm going to go ahead and make my chocolate ice. So I'll be right back. I'm going to be doing my cake decoration. I'm going to be using the top chocolate. You can go ahead and use any brand you want, guys. You don't have to use this brand, as long as cooking chocolate, just for the small decoration for the birthday cake. So I'm going to go ahead and bring the fresh cream to the bowl, just a little bit more. Just a little bit I need, so you bring it to boil. So guys, you don't want your cream to be too boiled, to be too cooked, so immediately it's like this, you have to take it off. So you apply it to your chocolate. That's it. So guys, you will know the amount of chocolate decoration you want. So I don't want to make too much, okay? So it's going to be very soon now. It's going to be very strong within a second. So I don't want it to be frozen. So guys, it's very easy. Just follow my step by step so you can make your birthday cake. So I'm going to go and put it in the fridge, guys. So guys, we need cream. So you will know amount of the cream you want. So I only need a little bit of fresh cream. So I'm going to whisk. To go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So guys, at this point you can exclude sugar or you can add sugar. I'm going to add 2 spoons of sugar. So guys, we're going to get rid of this hard top here so that we'll be able to put our stuff. So it's cold, so just take your time and get rid of it. So guys, you can go ahead, this is how I want the birthday cake, and you can go ahead guys and start apply the cream, the one we've already made. So I'm going to go ahead and start apply whatever I want to do with it, so I'll be right back guys.